If you want to enjoy amazing hosting or hosting discount, then you are at the right place, because in this video I will tell you how you can get step-by-step discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So the process is very easy. Now to grab the Hostinger discount, make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to the Hostinger page where you can see a special deal running right now. And don't worry, you can get additional discount on already running deals as well. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, Host Advice, WBeginner. All of them says that Hostinger is an amazing hosting company, and the best thing is that the 30 days money back guarantee is valid on any plan, so you can buy with confidence over here. If you scroll below, these are the three most popular plan, and you can apply this discount code on already running deals over here at Hostinger. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger has special amazing features like Hostinger do not compromise on being fast, being secure, being reliable. This was one of the reasons which is why I opted for Hostinger hosting. And you can create websites in seconds through the powerful Hostinger AI website builder, and you're also getting free domains with all of the annual plans. Isn't it amazing with Hostinger? If you scroll below, so in case if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, they have a special website migration tool through which you can easily transfer your website to Hostinger. Plus their support is going to help you along as well, and that too free of cost. Whether you have one website or 100 websites, their team is going to help you in shifting all of your websites. And the dashboard of Hostinger is super easy, super friendly. Anyone can operate it, even a newbie or a beginner can use it. And Hostinger also do not compromise on being speed, reliability, and efficiency. Plus you have local data centers all around the world, full speed and 24/7 support, making it the #1 hosting company. And the security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting automatic backups, SSL security certificates, DDoS attacks prevention with Cloudflare protected name servers, and right now 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. And if you want to enjoy this discount coupon code, scroll above, select any plan. I highly recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough comparison of each plan before you're going to select any plan. Once you're done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any plan as per your convenience to get this amazing discount. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected over here. Here you can see that this is a limited time deal, and there's a special 48 months 3 months extra with 48-month deal. So I highly recommend you guys to offer the 48 months to get this amazing additional discount. After this, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing discount coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply over here, and you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal at Hostinger. Now there is another coupon code as well. It is the name of HI10. Simply select the apply over here, and this can also reduce your price. So you can use either of this coupon code to get this discount at Hostinger. And you can see that the 30 days money back guarantee is valid. Simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you will be redirected to the final page where you can see the summary, write your billing details, and simply select the payment method. So you can see your order summary over here. And now write your billing details at Hostinger. After this, continue, select continue, and move on to the payment method. Hostinger offers so many payment method options, so you can choose any as per your convenience. So many options. Let's say we're going to a credit card. Simply select the credit card, write your billing details over here, and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last years, and my experience so far is very good. So highly recommend you guys to take the advantage of special discount deal. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as being told in the video to get this amazing discount at Hostinger. So good luck.